Hey, it's Ashley again, and I'm going to show you how to add categories, both event categories and business categories to your pages. Now, to do this, it's going to be in a different place than you think it will be. To add in event categories and business categories, you're going to hover over pages, or actually click on pages, and then you're going to see your entire list of pages and subpages. Now, the event categories are located under events. It'll just be called event categories. There's going to be a little plus icon to the left of it. If you click on it, you can see all the categories that you've already created. To add a new category, just click on the Add New Category button. You'll add in the category name, and that's the only thing that's required. Then you'll select if you want to have that show on your customer site. So that means that it will show up in the navigation. And if you had a member site, whether it will show up on the member site or not. So once you're done there, you'll hit Save and Close. And then you will see all of your event categories listed under here. If you wanted to edit anything within each category, you're just going to hover over the category and select Edit. And that's just if you want to change what the category says. You can also put in information that you want to show above the event category, such as an image or text. And you can also hover over categories in order to add additional subcategories. So you can just hover over the event category, add a new subcategory, and then it'll show up if you click the plus icon for that category too. The last thing that you'll see is on the far right hand side, you'll see the events that are associated with the categories. So if you click on any of these events, you can see that within events within the family shows category, there were two. And then you can actually edit the event from this section. So it's a pretty handy place to find that information. This is the same thing with your business categories. Instead of under events, it's going to be under businesses. Still has that plus icon and then an add new category button. It'll show your businesses to the right. And then to add new business categories, you can hover over and add a new subcategory. So for example, we have dine here. And if you hover over that, you can add a new subcategory. And for this, we just put the different type of dining options. So that is how you set up categories, and let me show you really quickly how you can see that on your site. So if you've chosen the categories to be showing on your website, you'll see them on the left-hand side here. Also, if it's been activated, you will see them in your navigation bar. And same thing with businesses. Let's go ahead and click on businesses so you can see what that will look like. You'll see them on the left here, but we also have shown them to be in the main navigation area as well. And that's it. That's how you're going to see your event categories as well as your business categories and how to add them.